Where is MAO found in your body? You can find the enzyme monoamine oxidase, MAO, in many different areas in your body, most of which is in the cells of your intestine. A cell is the basic unit of any living organism. Inside the cell's nucleus, you will find the chromosomes, which contain all your genetic material. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 46 in total. One member of each pair of chromosomes is inherited from the father, and the other from the mother. The chromosome contains DNA. A large, double-stranded helical molecule, which carries the instructions for making all the proteins your body needs to function. This is where your genes are located. Each gene codes for one protein. All your genetic material is made up of a chain from 4 simple nucleotides: adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. The rungs of the DNA's double helix are formed by bonds between these base pairs of nucleotides. Base pairs form bonds only between A and T and between G and C. Thus, the base sequence of each single strand of DNA can be deduced from that of its complementary strand. Specific patterns of nucleotides represent particular genes, and these genes are the blueprint for the proteins that your body needs to work. To make the MAO protein, the DNA must first be transcribed into messenger RNA. Transcription is the process by which RNA is created from a DNA template. RNA is a chemical similar to DNA, but it differs in 2 ways. One is that it contains the nucleotide uracil instead of thymine. The other difference is that DNA has a backbone of 2-deoxyribose, while RNA has a backbone of ribose. A particular portion of the DNA is transcribed by an enzyme called RNA polymerase, which recognizes the signal to start gene transcription. Once the RNA polymerase has finished transcribing the specific gene that will create MAO, the messenger RNA leaves the nucleus of the cell and will be turned into a protein by a ribosome. The process of turning mRNA into a protein is called translation. To start translation, a ribosome will bind to the mRNA inside the cell and manufacture the protein by linking together amino acids according to the coded sequence contained in a strand of mRNA. This single-stranded RNA molecule specifies the order of amino acids that will make the MAO protein. Amino acids are special types of molecules that are strung together to form proteins. Amino acids are attached to transfer RNA. Each tRNA molecule binds to a specific amino acid and a specific triplet of bases called a codon. For example, the codon AUG codes for the amino acid methionine. There is a total combination of 20 different amino acids that make all the proteins in the body. This specific chain of amino acids becomes a polypeptide chain, which will grow into the MAO protein. Once the MAO protein is completed, it becomes embedded in the membrane of the mitochondria, an organelle that is the main source of energy for a cell.